defeat that little guy down here. He was annoying. We hung out with Napstablook for a little bit. His house is up here. And honestly, it was kind of fun. So let's continue on. Alright, we got our chest here, which I took a cinnamon bun out of it in case I needed food. Give me the butterscotch pie in there in case I need it for later, because that just heals your HP. Oh! Got some junk for sale. Okay, let's see this. FC. It has 10 HP, speed up in battle. I don't know what defense is. -2 defense, 5 defense, -2 defense, invincible longer. I don't know what that is. Torn notebook, 2 attack. Yeah, no, I think I'll just take my leave. Actually, I think I'll sell. Okay. Temi Village. Alright, he said to head over to the Temi Village. Okay, down here is not a place I could go. So I think we should head over to the Temi Village. See what's over there. Oh, okay. Passing over here. Couple of waterfalls. Alright. Oh, path. Hello. Ah, I see. You light up the path. Light these things up. They'll continue generating more paths for you. I see. Oh yeah, okay, wait, what's up there? Oh, okay. Oh, no, the Temmie, I gotta get out of here. No. Oh, okay. I skipped the Temmie. Phew, that was close. Ooh, oh, I have to go back. Okay. I have to go. I have to go all the way back? Alright, I'm fine with that. Bang. Okay. Okay, let's head over here. Oh, why is it getting darker? Oh no, it's 2 yellows. I gotta spare. He's got flea. Okay, escaped. Ah, okay, I see. Flea, escaped. Well, I don't want to deal with Washoe right now. I'm sorry, Washoe, but I really can't do this right now. I'm sorry, Washoe. There's a lantern right over here. Okay, nice. I think I could head down over here. Yeah, here we are. Sit over. Oh, it's gone dark again. Oh, I can't see anything. Oh, an echo flower. Oh no. Oh no. I'm dying. Seven human souls. With the power of 7 human souls, our king, King Asgore Dreamer, will become a god. With that power, Asgore can finally shatter the barrier. We will finally take the sufferers back from the humanity and give them back the suffering and the pain that we have endured. Understand, human, this is only your chance at redemption. Give up your soul, or I'll tear it from your body. Undyne, I'll help you fight. Yo! You did it! Undyne is right in front of you. You've got front row seats to our fight. Uh, oh, wait. Who's she fighting? Hey! You weren't gonna tell my parents about this, are you? Okay, let's get the freak out of here. Where am I supposed to go? What's happening? Is my friend okay? Oh, I see. She lit a path. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna skip through all that because I don't want to deal with it. Alright, what's gonna happen to my friend? One sec, guys, I just gotta check something. Okay, we still have a little bit of time left. Yo! Yo, I know I'm not supposed to be here, but I want to ask you something. Man, I've never had to ask anyone this before. Yo, you're human, right? Man, I knew it. Well, I know it now. I mean, Undyne told me, stay away from that human. So like, I guess that makes us enemies or something. But I kind of stink at that. Yo, say something mean so I can hate you, please. Sure. Huh? Yo, that's your idea of saying something mean? My sister says that to me all the time. I guess I have to do it. Yo, I hate your guts. Man, I'm such a turd. I'm gonna go home now. Oh, no, yo, wait, help! I tripped! Wait, I'm coming to help you, I'm coming to help you. Dude, if, if you wanna hurt my friend, you're gonna have to go through me first. Thank you, little dude, you saved me. She's gone. Yo, you really saved my skin. Guess being enemies was just a nice thought. We'll have to be friends instead. We'll just have to be friends instead. Man, I should really go home. I bet my parents are worried sick about me. You go home, buddy. Have a good day. Later, dude. Later, dude. You have a good day, my man. What's up here? 7. 7 human souls. And King Asgore will become a god. 6. That's how many we have collected thus far. Understand? Through your 7th and final soul, this world will be transformed. First, however, as is customary for those who make it this far, I shall tell you the tragic tale of our people. It all started long ago. No, you know what? Screw it! Why should I tell you that story when you're about to die? Yeah! Oh, oh, that's epic. You're standing in the way of everybody's hopes and dreams. Athens' history in books made me think they were cool with their giant robots and flowery swordswomen. But you're just a coward. Hiding behind that kid, you could run away from me again. And let's not forget your wimpy goody two-shoes stick. Oh, I make such a difference by hugging a random stranger. You know what would be more valuable to everyone? If you were dead. That's right, human. Your continued existence is a crime. Your life is all that stands between us and our freedom. Right now, I can feel everyone's heart pounding together. Everyone's been waiting their whole lives for this moment. But we're not nervous at all. When everybody puts their hearts together, they can't lose. Now, human, let's end this. Right here, right now. I'll show you how determined monsters can be. Step forward when you're ready. Alright, yeah, let's save. The wind is howling. You're filled with determination. Let's go, Undyne. Yeah, that's it then. No more running away. Here I come. And God. Ah, fine. Uh, uh. Spare. What? How did that kill me? It shouldn't have done 5 damage. I only have 20. You're going to be alright, Chara. Stay determined. Alright. Alright then. And God. I will not give up. Ugh. I'm not going to leave.